Officer, what was your occupation on October 19th, '05? I was a policeman in New York City. Yes, assigned to the precinct in Central Park. Did you have occasion on October 10th, '05 to respond to an accident which involved a lady by the name of Gloria Modell? Defendant's counsel, I object to the question as blatantly leading, if Your Honor please, on a significant issue. The court, I will overrule your objection at this point. One correction, October 19th is the date, if I am not mistaken. I beg your pardon, please excuse me. On October 19th at approximately 4 o'clock, I responded to an accident. In the morning? In the morning, yes. And what was that accident about? Well, it was simply on Biscayne Boulevard. Please feel free to refer to any notes that you might have. Thank you. Let me clear up one thing, though. All right. You have retired from the New York City Police Department last July without a blemish on your record? Yes. And you are employed privately at this time? I am. Whereabouts? In Buffalo. You say that you are employed in Buffalo? That's right. Defendant's counsel, I object to the repetition, Your Honor. The court, the objection is overruled. By whom? By a policing unit out there. There is no jury here, so tell His Honor in your own words when you got to the scene what you saw. I had a conversation. Did you have a conversation with the plaintiff? Defendant's counsel, I object to the form of the question, Your Honor. The court, the objection is overruled. There is not a jury here, as was noted. I believe, just a moment, I didn't finish. There is another correction there. The plaintiff was not at the scene. It was Gloria, or Victoria, I think, who was driving the car. Yes, the woman has two names. Oh, I see. They are one and the same person. All right. What was the registration of the car? It was under a Gloria, I think, and the operator's license was under a different name. I did ask her at the time, and I was under the impression she told me it was her aunt. Defendant's counsel, move to strike of the court, please. The court, the motion is denied at this point. Proceed. When I responded to the scene, I found that the car was facing eastbound. Did you see any damage to the car? Yes. What? It had struck a concrete abutment. You mean the divider? The median, yes. The operator claimed injury. What did you do? I called an ambulance. What did she tell you, if anything? Defense counsel, objection. Hearsay, if the court please. The court, I will allow it. At the time, she told me she was cut off by an unidentified vehicle which failed to stop. Defense counsel, I object to the question thus far, Your Honor. The court, it is bad informed counsel, plaintiff's counsel. Question withdrawn. Immediately thereafter, in sequence of time, did you ask her, do you recall, if this other car hit her? I did. What was the response? Can you tell me, please? Just a moment. Give me the response. It was, according to the rules. Defendant's counsel, I object to the question as bad informed, Your Honor. The court, the objection is overruled. I would have to make out a form called a complaint form, sir. Did you do that then? No, sir. Did you, as a result of the information you procured at the accident scene and in accordance with your duties, make out an aided card, as it is called? Defense counsel, objection, Your Honor, as leading. The court, the objection is overruled. I did. I show you this card and ask you if that is it. Yes. Is that made out to you? I usually report this to the station house. Defense counsel, objection. What he usually does, Your Honor. The court, objection sustained. What did you do in this instance? I reported to the precinct house and filled this out. Is that your signature? Yes, it is. Officer, upon your arrival, was it obvious that the young lady was hurt? Yes, it was. Were you dubious about it? No, I was not. What does that mean? Oh, she said she was. Did you get her license and registration at that time? I did. Was she able to understand your questions? Yes. Did she give coherent answers to you? Do you understand? That is correct.